warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, Tabi Pun.
Ya Pun.
We are from Group 3, Tourism Class A, Polytechnic Negeri Lampung. And now we are visiting one of the beautiful destination in Bandar Lampung. It's Bukit Sakura Lampung. So, let's get it!
Bukit Sakura Lampung is a tourist attraction in the city of Bandar Lampung, which presents the nuances of Sakura country. The scenery is decorated with sakura trees, windmills, and Japanese-style buildings. The various ornaments in it support the feel of a tour that feels so real. Located on Meratil Raya Street, Langkapura, Bandar Lampung, Lampung. It's about 15 minutes away from Tugu Gajah, Bandar Lampung. Tourists who come to this tourist park will be charged quite affordable ticket fees. Just pay a few thousand to enjoy the beauty of the sakura trees. Visitors can come and travel to this park every day. This tourist attraction is open from morning to night. Operational time Monday until Sunday at 8 a.m. until 9 p.m. Bukit Sakura Lampung provides a variety of facilities that are quite complete and adequate. The management has provided a canteen, prayer room, outdoor cafe, and live music performance. Tourists are also free to choose the free gazebos and huts. This area is equipped with Wi-Fi provided by the manager. To get to this tourist spot is not too difficult. The area that enters the area which is lush with trees is quite close. From the city center of Bandar Lampung, it only takes about 15 minutes by motorbike or car. Because this tourist spot is quite popular, it is also quite easy to use online transportation.
Activity and rides of Bukit Sakura Lampung. Row of gazebo on the hill of Sakura Lampung. The Raven and Hill promise a beautiful view. This tourist attraction of a beautiful sakura tree and Japanese-style building complete with kanji letter. Even tourists say that the place is a miniature Japanese located in Bandar Lampung. Being in it, tourists seem to forget that they are in Lampung. This tourist park is very suitable to be a place of recreation for family and young people. The beauty of the line cherry tree. Tourists can enjoy the beauty of the row of the cherry tree around the park area. The sakura tree is the icon of these vivid days of coming sakura tourist spot. Along the tourist area of Bukit Sakura Lampung, it is filled with sakura tree ornament. Sets of pink sakura flower will make tourists feel at home in this place, especially when the atmosphere is not too crowded and the wine is still friendly. View of Bandar Lampung City. City light of the city of Bandar Lampung from Sakura Park. If visitors are in the park or come at night, the view of the city like our Bandar Lampung is ready to spoil the eye. Its location at an altitude over a very beautiful natural panorama. The view from the top of the hill is clean without any row of tall buildings like city. In the afternoon and evening, tourists can enjoy the view of the lake from the city. Cosplay in Japanese and Korean style. Costume play at Bukit Sakura Lampung so that the photos are more thematic with Japanese and Korean nuance. Tourists can rent costume in this park. To make the Japanese feel more real, Bukit Sakura Lampung provided various facility. One of them is the rental of traditional Japanese and Korean clothes, like a kimono and hanbok. Photo at altitude. Many beautiful spots with hilly background can be easily found in this cherry blossom garden. The manager of Bukit Sakura Lampung has also provided many interesting spots. Apart from dozens of sakura trees, there are also cottages to sit back and relax. Rides. To add the fun of the holiday, this tourist destination also provided various rides. These rides are provided primarily for tourists with family and children. Various games are available such as mandi bola, Boom Boom Car, Grandma Restaurant, and swimming pool. There are several rides and that are specially open on every weekend.
Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching and don't forget if you want holiday, visit Bukit Sakura. See you next time.
See you.
Wassalamualaikum
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Tuh.